Video recording is going to be something that we use a lot this year. It's going to be different in the beginning. It's something that I have never done. It's something that you probably have never done. And it's going to be something that we use a lot, but there are a lot of benefits that come out of using video recording that we can take advantage of this year. We're going to go over some of the advantages that you have with listening and watching these video lessons that you can take advantage of while you're doing it at home. Some of those things are going to include the ability to pause the video. You can't pause the teacher when they are teaching in class, but if there's something that you need to write down and I'm moving too fast, you click pause and the video will stop. I'm just kidding, you probably thought it paused. Another thing that you can do is rewind. We can rewind the videos, you can listen back to it. Another great tool will be to study. You can study and you can listen to these videos when it comes back time to take the test. So it's going to be another great advantage for you when it comes time to take our tests, projects, anything that you need to review. You can go back to these videos at any time. Something that I want to make very clear to you is that this is going to be a learning experience. I'm learning how this works, I'm learning how to do it best, and you're going to give me that same feedback, and you're going to be learning how to best do this at home as well. And we're all going to make mistakes, and we just have to learn from it together and grow together. For example, my first video, when I went back to watch, I realized all the words I spelled are backwards. So clearly, I'm going to need a new way to set up my camera so that if I want to write on the board during the video, my words are not going to show up backwards. Either that, or you could learn how to read backward. Sometimes during these videos, I'm going to ask you to click on different things that might pop up on the screen. This would just be an example picture. It's a picture that's not important to us, but I'm just giving you an example of how you could click on this picture, and then you would be able to view it. I might give you a picture that I'm asking you to analyze and ask you to describe it, so that could be one example. Another thing that might pop up could be a web page, and this would allow you to click on the web page. I would want you to explore that web page, get some information, maybe do some reading, do some research, or even just look at a picture or some sort of description of what we're doing in class, and then you would come back to the video and watch more. It should hopefully pause while you go to this external site or the picture, and then when you come back the video should start again, but I really won't know until today when we try that. I hope you enjoyed the video today. It's the first one I've ever made. When students come to my class, I always want it to be fun, I always want it to be exciting. I try to be funny as much as possible. I'm going to try to do the same thing with the videos. I don't want these to be boring and monotonous for you to do at home. So anytime that you really like a video, please let me know so I can try to do more of what I did in that one. It's going to be very important for us to make sure that we are staying on top of our homework this year, and when I am posting videos or posting Nearpod lessons for you to interact with and to learn from, that you are doing them. Because if you're not doing the homework, when you come to class, it's going to be really difficult, or actually you won't be even able to participate in the activities we're doing. We're going to be getting hands-on with the information that you're learning so you can really explore and take a deeper learning into what we're doing and hopefully do a lot of fun projects this year. If you missed your homework, please just come talk to me in the morning. As soon as you come in, before you even go to your homeroom, if you're not here, or when you come to here for homeroom, just say, hey, Mr. Ehrman, so-and-so happened, I couldn't do my homework. The reason doesn't matter. There's going to be internet problems. You're going to be busy with other activities. You're just going to run out of time. You might just forget, and that's okay. I'll set you up with a laptop or an iPad, and you'll interact with the lesson that morning, or you'll come in at recess and do it. If it becomes a habit, that's a different story. But you need to just make sure that you are doing it. Okay, so there's a lot of reasons that it might happen, but just come and talk to me so that we can be on the same page and we can get you ready so you can be prepared for that class that day.